Hey guys, Mama T here. So you guys know I've been talking about carpet beetles and what the hell's eating us alive, especially me. Well, anyway, I decided to put some carpet fresh around the perimeter of our home. And I ignore my house because Hurricane Sally hit it hard, and then tropical storm, then another hurricane. So currently the roof has leaked, so I have 3 rooms without electricity. Homeowners insurance are just a joy to have and deal with. Anyway, so what's eating me alive and in my home all this time, Gulf Power almost 2 years ago cut down trees and left a big mess in my drive yard. I had to clean it up, and then I got ate up. And it's just been ever since then. So, it is, ta-da! Yes, bird mites. See all the things that look like dust bunnies everywhere? Well, apparently, Carpet Fresh kills them. I was setting me a little bait trap because I wanted to know, see if I can see any little tiny beagle footprints or mange footprints or whatever the hell's been eating on me, because I'm tired of it. So, yep, all around the perimeter. So, and just to let you guys know, they leave like a little dark sludge looking trail around the perimeter. But see all the little dust bunnies? Those aren't dust bunnies. They're bird mites. Inside the dust bunnies are, inside the dust bunnies are little bitty tiny mites that pop out and get in your skin and breed and bite you and hurt. And see right here in the corner? You see all that? I don't know if y'all can see or not. But, my bathroom power suddenly went out, so I've got extension cords everywhere. I'm ghetto fabulous, baby. So see all the little, I hope y'all can see these little dust bunny things that popped out all around their perimeter. They're white, they're brown, they're yellow. I don't know if y'all can see the little bitty tiny mites that come out of the dust bunnies, but I guess they don't like Carpet Fresh either. Ta-da! Ta-da! I do not do bugs at all. I do not do bugs at all. My house may be piled up and cluttered from moving crap from one place to the other to keep the rain from getting on it, but I don't do bugs. But yeah, they do a little sledge trail. You'll find. Is that not crazy or what? I have never in my life encountered anything. I am an outdoor person, and I have been stuck in my house because every time I go outside I get eat up. They're literally in my car. So anyway, I have never in my life ever, growing up half my life in Kentucky, other half in Florida, and backwards and forth between parents, fishing, hunting, picking blackberries, all that kind of stuff. Rolling in the hay with my boyfriend in the barn loft, honey. Never have I had anything bite me like this. Ever. And all these doctors and all the medicine I've took, it was poison oak. And it was, what else was it? Oh, contact dermatitis. And all this good stuff they keep telling me I had. Well, hell no with the bird mites. That might have took me almost 2 damn years, but I figured it out now. I'm on a mission to kill. I bought everything I can imagine. Look at them. See them under there? Those aren't dust bunnies, they're bird mites. And I woke up one morning, and it was all these little fuzzy white things. Well, these things. And it looked like, kind of like insulation from your attic that they blow in. They were all over on top of my bedspread. And I was like, well, what in the world is that? And I thought, well, my grandson, he gets piles up in bed with me and watches TV all the time. And I sleep through it, but anyway, I woke up with these things stuck to my skin, and they're like slimy super glue. Super sticky. And that's when they stick to your skin, all them little mites just crawl right in and start breeding, going to town. Hump City in my skin, honey. Worse than rabbits. I ain't lying. So, this is my story, and it is true. Only in Mama T's world can I have a damn house that's fallen down and a damn insurance company that needs sued. And I have been so sick. I'll get to feeling better, and all of a sudden I'll go outside and work in the yard or whatever, and I just get attacked and sick all over again. So yeah. Thank you, Gulf Power, for the beautiful gift that you've given me. And not everybody, it seems like my sister and, friends that smoke, they sit outside and smoke and they're perfectly fine. Me and the kids, we get, mostly me, because I'm diabetic, but Noah did get some, under his fingernails. And it looked like just a little piece of gray, black fuzz circled around his fingernail. And it was hurting him so bad, and it just wouldn't let loose and come out. And finally, we took some coconut oil and soaked his hands in it, and it started kind of like loosening up. But, bird mites. Yep. It was crazy. So I've got Carpet Fresh all around every wall in my house. And it's like, the cracks is where they're living. Down in the cracks is where they're coming out. And this is absolutely nuts. I'm going to vacuum and sweep and mop all this up. And then I got some 7 Dust, like that you spray in your yard. And anyway, we're going to see how that goes. And then I've got all this stuff you hook to the water hose to spray the trees and stuff for mites in the ground. But I don't know how that's going to work, because the whole neighborhood is contaminated. They hired workers out of Texas. They brought trucks up here. I don't know if that was from Texas or just the rotten trees they cut down was full of bird mites. I don't know. But never in all my life have I encountered them. And I'm an outdoors girl. Boating, fishing, hunting, whatever. I'd rather be outside than indoors. So, and now I'm just almost in fear of my life when I go out the front door. But they're in the house real bad now. And it could be from 3 rooms of ceilings falling completely through from the roof all the way down to the floor. Literally. So, that could have contributed to them getting really infestated in here. Of course, I don't know how long that one hole was up there in my roof, and it was probably 6 by 6 section. And I don't know how long it had been raining in my, like that. So I'm sure birds and frogs and bats and creepy old men were up in my attic. Alright guys, this is Mama T's Truth 101. 101 on bird mites. finally, we have an answer. And it didn't come from a doctor or a dermatologist or anybody. They've given me falsified information and all kind of bad antibiotics and stuff to take, and nothing has worked. Nothing. Only in Mall and C's world. Y'all hit that Cash App. I could use some help. Even labor. Come help me get this stuff out of my house. Love you. Like, share, and subscribe, honey. We shall survive this. Y'all be safe. Bye. I can turn it off, guys. I've got Desitin on my hands and gloves. I can't turn the damn thing off. Well, y'all just gonna have to hang on a minute now. Get my Desitin finger on here. Oh, God. I'm so hot and tired. I now to clean all this mess up and spray again. Gulf Power is killing me.